Ready to read the book, Ellie?
Okay. After book.
Okay.
After book.
Where's Spot? Oh, wait, hold on. We missed it. Here, let's start. That's Spot. He hasn't eaten his summer. Where can he be?
Mom.
Is he behind the door?
Mom, puppy.
No. What is it?
Beer.
Bear.
Double. Double.
Yeah, bear behind the door.
Papa.
Bye, Bear. Is he inside the clock? No. What is it?
Snake.
Snake. What's a snake say? Yeah. Hold on.
Hello.
Is he inside the piano? No. What is it?
Hippo.
A hippo.
Bible. Hippo.
A birdie and a hippo. Is he under the stairs?
Dear name.
A lion. What's a lion say? Very good. Is he inside the closet?
Banana broccoli.
A monkey eating a banana. What's a monkey say? That's right. That's very good. That's very good. Let's not do that. Let's read. Oh, we skipped one. Is he under the bed? No.
It's a little bit.
A gator under the bed.
Not gator.
Night-night gators. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That's right, Ellie. Good job. That's what a gator says. Is he in the box? No. What is it?
Mama puppy. Mama puppy.
What's in the box? What's that?
Puppy.
Birdie. What's a birdie say?
Tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Other body.
All done, birdie.
Other body. Other body.
Okay. Let's see what else. Turn it. There, Spotty's under the rug. Is he under the rug? No. What is it? What is that?
Hello.
A turtle.
Mama turtle.
Is it a mama turtle?
Mama turtle.
Okay. The turtle says, try the basket. Should we look in the basket?
Let that go.
He's coming back. Come on. Let's turn a page. There's the basket. Is he in there? It's Spot.
Up back.
Hi, Spot.
Other back.
Good boy, Spot.